Unit 10. Tape script 10.1. Angie's weekend.
Yesterday was Sunday, so I got up late, about 11:30. I had a big breakfast, orange juice, toast, eggs and coffee. Then I went shopping, just to the supermarket, and I bought some tea, some milk and the Sunday papers. Then I just stayed at home for the rest of the day. In the morning, I cleaned my flat, and in the afternoon, I did some work on my computer for a bit. Then in the evening, I watched a film on TV. I went to bed early, about 11. I was tired. I had a late night on Saturday.
Tape script 10.2. Regular verbs. T.
Cooked. Watched.
D.
Played, listened.
Id.
Started. Wanted.
Tape script 10.3.
Hi, Rick. Did you have a good weekend?
Yes, I did, thanks.
What did you do yesterday?
Well, I got up early and I played tennis with some friends.
You got up early on Sunday?
Well, yes, it was such a lovely day.
Where did you play tennis?
In the park. We had lunch in the cafe there.
Oh, great. Did you go out in the evening?
No, I didn't. I cooked a meal for my sister.
What did you have?
Oh, roast beef. It was delicious. What about you, Angie? Did you have a good weekend?
Tape script 10.4. Questions.
Did you have a good weekend? What did you do yesterday? Where did you play tennis? Did you go out in the evening? What did you have?
Tape script 10.5. Angie's weekend.
What about you, Angie? Did you have a good weekend?
Oh, yes, I did. Very good.
What did you do on Saturday?
Well, on Saturday morning, I went shopping. Then, on Saturday evening, I went to a party. It was great.
Who did you see at the party?
Oh, one or two old friends.
Did you go out on Sunday?
Oh, no, I didn't. I didn't go out because I was too tired. I stayed at home most of the day.
Did you do anything on Sunday evening?
No, I didn't do much. I just watched a film on TV. I didn't go to bed late, about 11.
Tape script 10.6. Negatives. What didn't Angie do?
I didn't go out because I was too tired. I didn't do much on Sunday. I didn't go to bed late.
Tape script 10.7. Making conversation. 1.
I went shopping yesterday.
Really? What did you buy?
2.
We went to that new Italian restaurant last night.
What did you have?
3.
We saw a lot of our friends in the coffee bar.
Oh, who did you see?
4.
I played tennis at the weekend.
Oh, really? Where did you play?
5.
The party on Saturday was great.
Oh, good. What time did you leave?
Tape script 10.8. Making conversation. 1,
I went shopping yesterday.
Really? Where did you go?
Oxford Street.
Oh, what did you buy?
Well, I wanted a new coat and I went into Selfridges.
Did you find one?
Yes, I did. I found a beautiful black one. It was only £50.
2,
Tom and I went to that new Italian restaurant last night.
What did you have?
Well, I had pasta and Tom had pizza.
Did you enjoy it?
Very much. And it wasn't expensive.
3,
We saw a lot of our friends in the coffee bar.
Oh, who did you see?
Angie and Rick and some other friends from work.
I don't think I know them.
They're very nice.
4,
I played tennis at the weekend.
Oh, really? Where did you play?
In the park. It was lovely. It was so sunny.
What a great thing to do on a Sunday morning.
5,
The party on Saturday was great.
Oh, good. What time did you leave?
3 in the morning. The music was fantastic.
Did you dance?
Of course. All night.
Script 10.9. Jack and Millie's holiday.
Well, we usually go on holiday in summer.
Yes, usually we go to Italy for our holidays, don't we?
But last year we did something different. We had a holiday in winter, and we went to Colorado in America.
Because we wanted to learn to ski, you see, and we wanted a change. In Italy, we always stay in a villa.
But in Aspen, Colorado, we stayed in a very nice hotel. And because we were in a hotel, we had all our meals in restaurants.
And that's very special for us. In Italy, we cook at home in the villa. But in Colorado, we went to a different restaurant every night.
In Italy, because it's summer and it's hot, we go swimming in the swimming pool and sit in the sun. And I play tennis sometimes.
Jack loves his tennis, don't you, darling?
I do. But of course, last year in Colorado, we learned to ski. So we went skiing every day. And Millie, you went ice skating, didn't you?
We both went ice skating.
That's right. It was great fun. In Italy, in the evening, we usually play cards or read.
But last year in Colorado, we went out every night and we met lots of lovely people, didn't we?
We did. We had a really good time.
And we have a good time in Italy too, don't we?
We're very lucky.
Tape script 10.10. 1,
Last year, Jack and Millie didn't go on holiday in summer. They went in winter.
2,
They didn't go to Italy. They went to Colorado.
3,
They stayed in a hotel. They didn't stay in a villa.
4,
They didn't eat at home. They ate in restaurants.
5,
They went skiing. They didn't go swimming.
Tape script 10.11. 1,
Hello. Can I help you?
Yes. Can I have a map of the city, please?
Of course. Here you are.
Can you show me where we are on the map?
Yes. We're here in Regent Street, in the city centre.
Two.
We want to go on a bus tour of the city.
That's fine. The next bus leaves at 10 o'clock. It takes about an hour and a half.
Where does the bus go from?
It goes from Trafalgar Square, but you can get on and off when you want.
Three.
I want to visit the British Museum. What time does it open?
It opens at 10 in the morning and closes at 5:30 in the evening.
How much is it to get in?
It's free.